Hi, welcome to Life Skills to Learn. My name is Becca Eisenberg, and I'm a speech language pathologist with a passion for AAC and life skills. I am also a children's book author, book blogger, and podcast host. This channel brings to life my knowledge and passion for AAC and life skills in various playlists. AAC Parent Coaching video series is a playlist created for parents, caregivers, and educators. These videos have been created to help parents implement AAC at home and in the community. My video series, Life Skills for Teens and Adults with Developmental Disabilities, helps provide functional, age-appropriate life skills videos. They can be used during teletherapy or in-person therapy. Each video targets a specific topic and has embedded questions to help check for understanding and carry over specific skills. Why music and no voiceover? These videos were specifically created with music to make them flexible to use for training and therapy purposes. Also, for my life skills playlist, I wanted to give my students the opportunity to read the text on the page without the voiceover. Do you have a student who's not literate? Look for With Voiceover in the playlist title. This playlist includes a video with the voiceover that was highly requested by many. The voiceover will make it more accessible and inclusive to others, which is key. If you're looking for carryover activities to these videos, check out my Teachers Pay Teachers store. A link will be provided in the description to this video. In my new playlist, Let's Learn About Core Words, I create age-respectful videos to learn new core words that are essential to communication. Use these videos to help your students with complex communication needs to learn new core words. Stop and pause the video throughout and model on a core board and our communication system. Use the core words throughout the day and in context for optimal success. I invite you to explore all the playlists on the channel. You'll find my AAC products and books there, along with information on where to purchase them. I hope you like this video and find it helpful. Like and share it if you enjoy. Subscribe for any new updates. Bye!